Anyway, so the stomach. Can we go 36? The stomach is just my own. Can you play? So it was very simple. As I came from, ex-Yugoslavia, the 5-point star was on my birthday certification. It was, on the caps of my mother and father who'd been national heroes in Tito time. It was everywhere. And I had the feeling, and somehow I was like I wanted to get rid of this. And to get rid of this, I carved 2 stars on my stomach. One with the 1 point up, another one with 2 points up. So there was I felt positive and negative star, pentagram and the real normal 5-point star, which kind of negate the power of that star on me. That's how I said. In those days, razor was a pencil and the blood was color. And we didn't actually question pain. Pain was not the issue. The idea was that the body is the tool and material, and performance was a tool to say something. So, as you see, I'm in pretty good health in front of you, so if I cut my stomach, it was fine. It was in the purpose of performance in those days. And to get rid of fear of cutting, of pain. The Valley expert said once about her work, she's in Vienna, she said, if I really cause pain to myself in order to get rid of pain, of fear of pain, pain is okay. And this is the whole idea, how we can control pain, how we can actually get somewhere else, that our mind actually have a strength enough to overcome that pain. Old cultures knew so many techniques about that, all the Asian or Africans, the Aborigines, the Tibetans, knew that using the body to the point almost to clinical dying situations in the very violent rituals in order to have a situation they can actually jump to another state of mind, to transcend that, the physical body, and to alter a state of consciousness. So the performance in our Western society could be one of the tools to achieve that. And in the beginning, I need to do all these things to come to the point, like in Artist is Present performance, where it was on the last, months, not even the table between me and spectator. It was just 2 chairs and gaze. But because of learning all that before, I could do that, not before I made this road, like this stomach piece.